So hello guys, want to create professional Vox-style thumbnails using only AI? Stick around, because I'm about to show you the magic step-by-step. It's easier than you think. First, open Google and search for Vox thumbnail. Click on the Images tab and open one that inspires you. This will be your reference for style, colors, and composition. Next, choose the style you like. Download 4 or 5 images that catch your eye. These will be your references for colors, composition, and overall vibe. Now go to Google and search for Whisk Labs. Click the link and open the site. This is where we'll start creating your AI-powered thumbnail. Once you're on Whisk Labs, go to the Style section and upload all the images you downloaded. These will give Whisk the references it needs to create your thumbnail in the style you want. Now, wait just a few seconds. Whisk will quickly analyze your reference images and capture the style you want. Next, go to ChatGPT and ask for a thumbnail prompt. You can request anything you want. I'll use it to create a stunning thumbnail about the Greenland crisis. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, go back to Whisk, paste it, and hit Go. Then just wait a few seconds and watch the magic happen. Look at this result. Keep in mind, it usually takes hours to create this kind of thumbnail in After Effects or Photoshop, but with AI, it's done in seconds. Let's try a few more prompts and see the magic again. Every time, you can get a different stunning thumbnail in just seconds. Now it's your game. Copy and paste your prompts to get the result you want. I'll try these 3 prompts and show you what magic Whisk can create. Just look at this result, guys. If you want more tutorials like this, let me know. Have a great day, and don't forget to hit that like button.